Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening 1688 and navigating directly to the specific order. This gets you straight to the tracking field. Once on the order page, check the logistics section labeled Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter. That's where the seller posts the tracking code. If nothing shows, message the seller now asking for the courier name and tracking number. You need both to search worldwide. Make sure order number and SKU are visible, because sellers sometimes paste partial codes, and you'll need details to verify. Once you have the code, copy it exactly. Letters, numbers, and any dashes matter. Next, identify the carrier. 1688 often lists names like EMS, SF Express, or a regional courier, and that determines the tracking format. Then paste the code into the carrier's tracking page or a multi-carrier tracker to confirm the shipment exists and its current location. If tracking returns no result, try variations or check whether it's a local domestic code, not yet uploaded to international systems. After verification, save the confirmed tracking number and update any buyers. You'll want a timestamped record. If the code fails, request proof of shipment. Ask the seller for a photo of the parcel or a shipping receipt with a timestamp and courier label, because that proves handover. If the seller cannot provide valid tracking within a few days, open a dispute on 1688. Disputes protect funds. Troubleshooting tip. If tracking shows wrong carrier, double-check character patterns. Some carriers use similar formats, and a single wrong letter breaks searches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.